All right. So the next topic that we're going to be doing now here is a software installation. But before we do software installation, there's something here that I want to explain to you here. Here is my server. Here is my server. So let's now assume that I'm working for a organization and the organization now give me a task that I should install a new software, maybe a new antivirus that the organization just purchased. I should install it on all the employees' PC. Actually, you can achieve that goals by going manually to each employee and you'll be installing it one by one. But that one is going to be giving you a tough time because it's going to take a long time before you can accomplish that particular task. We can actually use server to deploy that particular software immediately and within minutes, all the employees going to have that particular software installed on their system. All right, so that's what I want to do here. So I'm going to be making use of this software named Radmill Viewer. So I will be using this software here, Radmill Viewer. But I want to make sure that this Radmill Viewer here enter my server. You can see here, if I try to drag this Radmill Viewer on my server, it's not going to work. If you try to drag it on my server, it's not going to work. The first thing I need to do is to enable drag and drop on this server so that I will be able to drag anything from my physical system to the virtual server. So this is the first thing I want to explain to you before we do the software installation. How do you enable drag and drop on the server? So how to enable drag and drop? For example, if I try to drag this software on this server, it's not going to happen. So the first thing you need to do is to come to where we have device on your server, on your server. Come to where we have devices. You drag down. You're going to see where we have share clipboard. Share clipboard, put it on bi-directional. That's the first thing you will do. Share clipboard, you put it on bi-directional. Click on devices again. Come to where we have a drag and drop. This drag and drop as well, you need to put it on a bi-directional. So that's the second thing. Go back to the devices again. Come to insert guest addition CD image. Just click on it. So that's the three things you need to do inside devices. So let me go back again. Share clipboard must be on bi-directional. Drag and drop must be on bi-directional and you need to click on the third options. So after we click on the third options, if you still insist to drag it, you see that it's not going to work. All right, you need to go to your file manager, come to where we have CD drive D. When you are in a drive D, you're going to install this particular option here that says VBoss Windows Addition AMD 64. So we're going to install it. Click next, next until you see install. So here now we want to enable drag and drop on the server so that we'll be able to drag anything on our physical system to the virtual server. So we are going to click on OK. This server is going to reboot. So let's hold on for these servers to completed. So let's hold on for these servers to reboot finish. So we're going to check if the drag and drop is working or not. So I need to log in back to this server. I need to log in back to this server. So once I log in back to this server, let me try to drag anything inside this server and let's check if this drag and drop that I enable is working or not. If I close this server manager, and I drag this software here, if I drag it to this server, you're going to see that we are able to drag something inside the server now, but in the first place, we are not able to drag anything. So this is how you enable drag and drop. I can drag this picture on my server. You can drag anything on your physical system to your virtual server. But before you can be able to do that, you need to do some settings, and those things that I explained earlier is all what you need to do so that you will be able to enable drag and drop. Right.